What's up, guys? Let's talk about the arrange function from the dplyr package. And the arrange function works similarly to filter, except that instead of selecting rows, it changes their orders. It takes a data frame and a set of column names or more complicated expressions to order by. So if you provide more than one column name, each additional column will be used to break ties in values in the preceding columns. So I'm going to arrange my flights data set that we're working with. And if I want to go and arrange it from by month, right, I have my data set now arranged by month. So this doesn't look very different from our original data set, because if I look at it, I believe the data set is already pre-sorted. So you don't really see how it's been ordered. Now, let's say instead of me starting from January the 1st, let's start from December the 31st. So I'll go and I'll use the descending function. And then also for the day, I have to put down descending. So day as well. And we're starting from now January the 31st, and we're moving down. Now, let's say we want to go and arrange our data set by the departure delay, right, in descending order. So we want to see the latest flight delay on the top, and then with shorter flight delays as we move along. So if I put in descending, and then I write departure delay, we have our data set now reordered by the departure delay. So if we look at the departure delay column over here, we see that this is the longest departure delay, and this is in terms of minutes. And it goes in descending order, as we can see. Now, another important thing to note about arrange is that NA values are always placed on the bottom. So let's just make a tibble over here real quick. So if I put down here, let's put a 2, let's put down a 5, and let's put down an NA. Or, you know, let's put the NA in the middle, right? And we'll put a 5 there. So if I want to sort our data frame, right, in descending order, what we'll see is we'll see that the NA value is on the bottom. And similarly, if I want to go and change it with it being in ascending order, we have our lowest known value being on the top, and then we have the next one that's bigger than it, and then we have our NA values on the bottom. So always when we're going to be using the arrange function, our NA values will always be pushed to the bottom, right? So those rows that have the NA values relating to that column, they'll be moved to the bottom. So that's all for now. In the next video, we're going to talk about the select function, and I'll see you there. Thanks so much for watching.